Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge and loading the exact page you want to save. This makes sure the bookmark URL is correct. Next, click the star icon in the address bar or press Ctrl+D to trigger the Add Favorite dialog. Once the dialog appears, you can pick an existing folder or create a new one, give the favorite a clear name, and then click Done so the bookmark is stored where you can find it later. Once the favorite is saved, open the Favorites menu to manage it. This helps you keep related pages together. You can right-click any favorite to rename it, edit the URL if needed, or move it into a specific folder for organization. To visually reorder your list, drag and drop favorites or folders where you want them. This improves quick access. Make sure to use clear names and consistent folders so you find what you need fast. You finish by accessing the bookmark from the Favorites bar or the Favorites menu. Show the bar in Settings if you want one-click access. If you use multiple devices, enable Sync under Profiles so your bookmarks follow you automatically. If a saved favorite doesn't appear, make sure Sync is on and favorites are enabled, then restart Edge. If that fails, check folder visibility and correct URL. This troubleshooting step usually resolves missing bookmark issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.